As COVID-19 spreads further and faster, many are now beginning to wonder why and how. In this edition, Don Bosco Media Network was able to talk to Christian religious brothers and fathers who tested positive for COVID-19 and have recovered fully from it. Just to recap what happened last year, around 65 brothers and fathers at the Sacred Heart Theological College tested positive for COVID-19, casting a dark and gloomy shadow upon the entire Sacred Heart College community, but only for a little while. With proper care, patience, and the assistance of others, these faithful recovered fully from the virus. We are privileged to be able to talk to Father Gervasis, who is 89 years of age, remark that it was something surprising for him that when he tested positive for the virus, he did not despair or was anxious or fearful for his life, and his faith in God was not at all shaken. This convinced him that while as a man he must go through such trials, his faith in God must be stronger than his fear of the virus. He recounted with a touch of nostalgia how prior to the pandemic he had the opportunity to preach the gospel of Christ in many areas, but with the coming of the pandemic he was no longer able to continue with such activities. He now spends his time praying for many people.
Now we don't go anywhere. I used to go all over for different activities, confessions in different, so many convents and outside mass also I used to go. Now I don't go anywhere. They have told me to stop. I stop.
He added that he had already received the first dose of
We
the
went
vaccine
only to
and will soon be going
this
for his booster shot.
Nazareth to get that vaccination we took. With Father Jose, I took a vaccination, and that vaccination was maybe helping, I don't know. Maybe we'll go on the 10th of next month to take the second one. Should have taken earlier, but since this came in between, so it is delayed.
When asked if he had a message for the viewers, he said that he wanted to encourage people to take care and to follow the protocols given by the government.
Not to mix with too many people at the same time. That is what the government also wants. So we have to be careful about all this. So they should be more and more careful. That is my message.